My name is Bob Mangello, and I've been building silkscreen equipment for the last 20 years. And I used to build large setups and very expensive, and I've started lots of people over the last 20 years in the business. Every week people buy equipment from me and we get them started. But several years back, I decided to make just the bare minimum for people that don't have a big budget to start a business, but still do it professionally. And so what I've developed is this little setup right here. Some of it you build yourself, and the things that you can't build yourself that have to be precision, like the printer or the infrared flash dryer, those are the things that I build. And what I've done is developed a setup that is affordable but very professional and does a professional job at a fraction of what you're going to pay for the big stuff. And so let me go over, I do sell things separately. You can buy the infrared flash dryer separately, and they're very affordable. And I sell the printer separately, but I do sell a complete package. And let me just tell you what's included in that so you have a better idea. The first thing we include is these test pylons. And they're in all my supplies, they're very little, but it's enough to get you going so you can practice a little bit and understand more about it. Of course, you're going to have to buy more supplies later on, but this helps you get started in the business. So anyway, we have test pylons. What these are practice sheets. So when you're printing, just starting to print, you can practice and learn how to print. You're not using a t-shirt. The other thing we have is spray adhesive. This is a special spray adhesive for material. It's not the spray adhesives you get at Michael's where it's for artwork. This actually will hold a t-shirt steady while you're printing, and that's very important. So I include that. I include black, a 16-ounce quarter black plasticine. This is enough to probably print 50 t-shirts. I include emulsion. Now the emulsion I include is what I show in all my videos. It's really easy to use. And I have vendors that you can, on my website, it'll tell you where to get the same emulsion, but it's very user-friendly. And you'll see that on my videos, how to use it. But this is probably enough to do 20 screens, silk screens. I include a 6-inch screen coater. What this is apply the emulsion to the screen. It'll look like this. It'll be pink. And you see that image? Well, the reason you can put that image in there is because of emulsion. And I show this on my videos, how to put that image. It's very easy to do. So that's what the emulsion is. The screen coater applies that to the silk screen. All right, the other thing I include is a 12-inch squeegee, 70 durometers, and that's, again, just enough to get you started so you can practice. I include screen reclaimer. Screen reclaimer is, if you want to remove that image that I just showed you, that's what this is. Soy solvent is a environmentally friendly ink remover. So I include that. So, and then I also include a 24 by 20 inch silk screen frame with a screen on it, and it's 110 mesh. Again, if you watch my other videos, I explain a lot more about all of this. Okay, so now let's move on to what else is included. Put this out of the way. the Blue Diamond printer. The Blue Diamond printer is a chrome frame, all metal, with a 16 by 16 inch platen. This is an adult platen with blue Formica on MDS board, so it's very durable. It'll withstand heat from the dryer. And on my new Blue Diamond model, this platen can be removed just by a few bolts. So you can put a sleeve or a child platen, and you can buy those. That's not part of the kit here, but on my website you can buy them separately. So if you want to add on to this. But it includes a Blue Diamond printer. It's very compact, but it is, what is important about a printer is that you're able to register exactly where the colors go. And this Blue Diamond printer can print up to 6 colors on a t-shirt, okay? So, and it just lifts off. So every color you want to print is locked in. So it performs perfectly in printing shirts. And I have videos, other videos that show me operating it and how to use it. But it's very simple. I kept everything very simple and very compact. The other thing that you get in the kit, and then also you get the registration brackets, these deals, that enough for 6 colors. So that's part of the Blue Diamond package. The other thing is you get a 16 by 16. See that area? That's the drying area, very big. And this is an infrared heat panel. Very important. Whether you buy equipment from me or not, make sure it has an infrared heat panel. You'll see my prices are the best on the market. It comes with a mini stand. You see how easy that was to put on there, and it rotates. It comes around so you can flash dry. Flash drying is when you're printing more than one color. You need to dry the color before, so this allows that to happen. Okay, now let's talk about what I show you to build. See this wood? It's very simple. I have a video that shows how to build this in less than an hour, and probably $35 in materials. But this little stand will just sit on a table. It's very compact. In fact, you can take it to an event, this whole little setup, and print t-shirts out of the back of your van if you want, or at a small table or a fair. So this is very compact, very professional. This over here that you're looking at is called an exposure unit. This I show you how to build. It's not part of the package, but I have a video. And for less than $15, you know what this is. This is a 500 watt halogen light. You just buy it at Home Depot. This is a 2x4. This is lumber, all from Home Depot. This is a piece of glass, this part of this, that you buy at a commercial glass place. Again, I have a video on how to build this. It costs less than $50. This can save you up. They sell exposure units as high as $1,000. This will save you a ton of money, but everything you're looking at here is what you need. The only other thing you'll need are customers, and you will need t-shirts. So that is it. That's all you need. Thanks very much.